by clicking on this, you can come in and click and drag, and you can see exactly what this looks like. And right now it's not looking how we want it to look, but that's okay because we're going to change that right now. So I can click on Reset View to bring it back to default, and I want to find the ground, or in this case, the lava. So once you locate that, let's come over here and grab the Rotate Layer XY tool. And here we can come in and play around with this and get an easier view of what's going on. So if I come in and start to rotate it like this, you can see now we're actually putting it into the background and placing it so that we can create a proper 3D environment. Now when I release, we'll get some numbers up above for the X and Y rotation. And really, we only need to worry about the X rotation. So let's put in 0 for Y rotation, and then -90 for X. That will bring it to a perfect 90-degree turn. And once again, if we use the orbit tool, you can see it looks like it's being placed further into the background now. And with the Transform Layer tool selected, and then just move it down like so, until about like that. If we come in, we can expand the Y property out, and it's going to go further then into the background. And I'm not quite sure how far I want it to go yet, but you get a preview of what's going on as you make these adjustments. So I put the Y all the way up to 20, and you can see it's going back into the distance. Now, if I were to come in and adjust some of these other things, like if I wanted to adjust the height, I could, and I still might do that. I'm not quite sure how high up I want it yet, but for the X value, we can blow it out so that it looks like it's going to cover the screen. But now what this will do, you can see we have a rock here. I just brought in rock 2. If I take the Transform Layer tool and just use the Z properties to bring it closer, you can see I have now the ability to bring this down, and it will hide within this 3D layer, which works because we are creating lava or liquid or something where we're going to have certain objects submerged within it. And so having this effect set up can help us achieve those results.
Full Chapter 2 is linked below.